Hello guys, welcome back Rana Sam YouTube channel. So today we will discuss some another very crucial topic on my YouTube channel. So if you are a newcomers on my YouTube channel, so please like and subscribe this YouTube channel and share this video. If you have if you want to come in if you want to make the career in digital marketing sector, and you and you have done lots of friends and they also want to come in the same sector, so you can suggest my YouTube channel and share this video. And today I have find that I have done lots of research around this topic, and got it that around 10 to 9 point by the help of my hard work, because the YouTube did not get the any help for me when I was researching on this topic. Honestly, I did everything on the behalf myself, on the behalf my understanding, and it will be another greatest video on my YouTube channel, because I know that if you want to come in digital marketing sector and you have done your graduation right now, and you are thinking I will go in digital marketing sector, and you don't have any kind of idea how I can start my digital marketing career. So this video very crucial for you. And if you don't have any kind of budget to take the admission in digital marketing institute, so you can also watch this video till the end. At the end of the video, in this video I will tell you everything. If you want to come in digital marketing sector and you don't have a good financial budget, how you can engage yourself in digital marketing sector, and how you can get the job in digital marketing sector without get the any kind of institute certificate, without get any kind of admission in institute. So please watch till the end and like and subscribe. And let's start. If I talk about the today question on, I made myself honestly, and I'm sharing to my experience, what I did mistake in my career in the early phase. I have only 1 year experience, 1 year experience. I know that. And honestly, if I talk about my experience, if someone want to come in digital marketing sector, and they wanted to know something for me, so I will give the honest review. I will give the everything truly and understanding about the digital marketing sector. So let's start. If I talk about the today question, so today question I have writing everything on my notebook as usual, honestly. And how to learn digital marketing free of cost. So this is one of the greatest video on my YouTube channel. If you want to make the career in digital marketing sector, and you don't have a good budget, you don't have any kind of budget like 1000 to 5000, 10,000. Because if I talk about the fees structure of institute in the of digital in institute of digital marketing courses, honestly it will be it has been gone beyond the 1 lakh rupees in a 6 month course, for a 6 month course. So that's why I was thinking I should make the video on this specific topic. So if I talk about the first of all, we have to talk about the what is digital marketing. We do in this kind of talk in every video, because this is a motive. This is a motive for my YouTube channel. I want to spread the knowledge to with everyone and share my understanding what I did mistake in my career in the early phase. And I don't want the same mistake will be repeat in your career. So that's why I'm saying. So honestly, if I talk about the digital marketing basic understanding, the digital marketing is a kind of platform where you can engage, where you can communicate your audience by the help of internet. Yeah, by the help of internet, honestly. So one of the greatest quote in the world: the internet will be not stop any in the world in the upcoming years. So this is a true. That's why the digital marketing booming up right now. So if you want to come in digital marketing sector, so you can come right now and you can start your digital marketing stage. So basically, this video motive for If you those person who does not have any kind of good budget, I'm not telling right now, you cannot you should not watch this video if you have the budget. You can also watch this video, honestly, because you have you can learn something else. You can improve your understanding. I'm sharing my experience because I don't had any kind of idea when I was studying my digital marketing course in Digi Perform Institute. And after when I have done my digital when I have done my digital marketing course, honestly, the one my friend told me, this is a platform, you could done same thing with them. And I'm on completely blank what I did my life. So that's why I'm sharing, because so let's start. If I talk about the second point, I'm sharing around 9 point to everyone. Honestly, you should watch this video till the end if you want to make if you want to come in digital marketing sector. And you cannot you should not waste your money in any kind of institute. So please watch till the end. So if I talk about the second topic, why digital marketing important for us, honestly, because if I talk about the door to door marketing, it has been closed right now. We know that because when coronavirus came in in the world, the door to door marketing completely shut down. We know very well. And that time the digital market, I'm not telling you digital. Before that, the digital marketing in not have in the world. The digital marketing, if I talk about a 1997, that when digital marketing has been start in the world. But before the 2020, we know we don't have any kind of idea specification about the digital marketing. So after lockdown, after coronavirus, the digital marketing booming up, because everybody want to connect with social network. Everybody want to take their business on the online platform. And that time digital marketing important for us to make the our business engagement on the online platform. So if I talk about the third point, talk about the how to learn digital marketing free of cost. Honestly, you can learn digital marketing free of cost. I will tell you how you can learn. I have three platform where you can learn digital marketing free of cost. Yeah, I'm not telling you only a specific digital marketing. I'm also suggesting you, if you are if you are belonging in IT sector, yeah, cooperative sector, like banking sector, yeah, IT sector, any kind of sector. I'm not talking about B Pharma, yeah, a BA student. I'm talking about a cooperative sector employee. So you can also learn free of cost everything all about for in those platform, honestly. And I had the lots of understanding these two platform, honestly, because I have done lots of research about, and I have learned also lots of all about on this those platform. So if I talk about the first platform where you can learn digital marketing. Right now I'm only talking about specific digital marketing. A digital marketing person, if you have done graduation right now and you want to come in digital marketing sector, so this point is completely for you. So honestly, the first platform is the greatest platform, is also Google supports platform, Google Digital Garage. You can so honestly, it is a greatest platform in digital marketing industry. If you want to come in digital marketing industry, and you want to learn lots of things about the digital marketing without wasting any kind of money, honestly, you can type the Google Digital Garage on the search engine, Google search engine first, and click on the first tab, and go and see where you can see lots of course available on over there, and you can start learn basic understanding about the digital marketing. This platform actually I was learning when I was studying my digital marketing course. After the completed my digital marketing course, I got to this point. That's why I am telling you, if you don't have budget and and also and you cannot want you cannot want you can you waste your money any kind of platform, any kind of institute. So honestly, this is one of the greatest platform where you can start digital learn digital marketing without giving any kind of money. And if I talk about the if I talk about the talk about the platform, so platform have the lots of cost structure. You can start base scratch to scratch to you can become a master as a because not as a theoretical understanding. I'm not telling you you can become a master as a practical understanding. But if you are learning something in institute, they are also some they are also learning theoretical, not a practical. That sometimes giving the some assessment, you have to done this kind of assessment, and you could you will be submit in your institute. But you can do something in this kind on this kind of in on this kind of platform. So that's all. So if you want to come a digital marketing sector and you don't have money, so you should start right now by the help of Google Digital Garage. If I talk about the second platform, we know very well, and this platform is completely free of cost. And I am right now I am suggesting, and you are wasting we are wasting our lots of time on this platform, honestly. So this is the second platform is a YouTube. YouTube is a one is a second biggest second search engine in the world right now. If I talk about the Google, the first one is Google, and Google, and second is YouTube. So we are watching movie, we are watching comedy video, we are watching sports video. But if I talk about the learning purpose, we can we are not learn something by the help of YouTube, honestly. I'm not scolding you, I'm saying the same thing for myself. I am watching the lots of comedy video, lots of no, not movie, comedy video, and cricket video, because I'm a cricket lover, so that's why I'm telling you. But if I talk about the my learning purpose, so only I'm giving the only for 4 hours in a day. If I talk about a 24 hours, so if I'm giving the only 4 hours on this platform, so so I will I'm doing some mistake in my career. Honestly, YouTube is a completely free of cost platform. If you are belonging if you are coming in IT sector, coming in IT sector, you don't have you are a beginner, you don't have any kind of idea. So please type any kind of topic on the YouTube, and the YouTube have the lots of immense stuff in on their platform. If I talk about the IT sector, honestly, if I talk about that anything, if something missing on the YouTube, I have I have been never seen in on the YouTube, honestly. Honestly, if I'm sharing the one incident what happened with me. The one subject the institute launched first time in the BTech in engineering. There are the quantum that there are any kind, and there have any kind of nodes available in the market, and any kind of structure available. We don't have any kind of structure in the market. And me and my friend also do lots of research in the market, how we can we could pass this kind of exam. But after that, when we did same thing on the YouTube, we got the one YouTube channel, and we can and we clear our exam very easily. So that's why I'm telling you, if you want to come in if you are coming from IT sector, so please type something on the YouTube, and please learn something on the YouTube. The YouTube and you can also purchase course, but that this course, then those course is the if I talk about the phase is structured around 2000 3000. If I'm comparing this kind of fees structure for institute, so it is a is a very less for institute fee structure. So if you want to invest something in your life, so you should invest on the YouTube your time. You can learn everything in the in the IT sector uh, on the YouTube. If I talk about the third platform where you can get the free digital marketing certificate. So this is just if I name if I'm telling the name the third platform, Simple. The Simple is a kind is a types of platform. It's an online platform where you can get the free of course certificate. They also provide free of course certificate when you have done your certification course, free of course. And after that you are when you have completed your digital your free of course certificate, you can start internship. I know that the sometime the sometime in company asking you, you can give for us 5000 rupees, but if you are wasting your money to give something same money for the in the institute, so why you are not invest your money in the company? And after 3 months, when you have the lots when you have the lots of understanding about your professional life, so you can switch your career another company. But this time you have the 3 month experience, you are not a fresher. This time you can switch very easily another company. But if I talk about the job fear as a fresher, I have faced this kind of phase last year. Honestly, this is one of the greatest fear, pressure in my life, because I was traveling lots of different city and not getting the and not getting the any kind of offer letter as an early phase. My communication skills is very bad and everything going in the wrong direction. But I did lots of work on myself, and after that I got my first internship. But I'm not thinking, I was not thinking about always salary structure. I know if I will start this kind of if salary structure after 6 months. I will take my salary about this kind of salary structure. So that's all in this video. If I talk about and if I talk about the another point, is there another greatest point? When you have done your free of cost certificate, what you do? Honestly, I am recently told you, you can start your internship, and you can also give the 15,000 rupees. It is not a big amount for company. If company asking for take the money to providing the internship, so you can also give. But if I talk about the company, if the company is a reputable company, so company does not asking this kind of question, will not asking honestly. But if you are wasting, if you are investing your money in institute, so why you are not investing the same money in the company? But so that's all in this video. If I talk about my new plans, so it will be implement in this month. uh, I have made the plan right now. I was researching lots of point and tactics, how I can implement on my YouTube channel, and we will meet the first week definitely to discuss something on my YouTube channel, just regarding my new plan. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon.